In this video, I'm going to show you how to plow your gravel driveway, or maybe you have to plow some of your lawn, let's say to get to your wood shed or to another shed. You never know, you may have to plow a path on your lawn. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to plow my driveway today. I have a gravel driveway. The ground isn't frozen. We got snow really early. It's still snowing again today. So I want to clean up my gravel driveway. I don't have to. There's probably about 3 inches of snow on it, and it'll likely melt over tomorrow and the next day anyway, but I'm going to clean it up just in case. And I'm going to show you how to clean up the gravel driveway without wrecking your gravel, because it's not frozen yet. So normally I would have 2 shoes, right? 2 skid shoes, one here on either side of the blade. If I was to plow my gravel driveway right now with that, I would dig trenches all over my gravel driveway, move gravel around. So I do this trick every year. I take a ABS pipe, cut it down the middle. Now I know someone's going to ask me what size this is. I think it's 1.5 inch. I'm not 100% sure. I'll put it down in the description below when I upload this video. But this one here is from last year. It got banged up a little bit. Not too bad on this end. But it lasted quite a few plowings. But I'm going to put this ABS pipe over the bottom of the cutting edge here of the plow blade, and it's going to allow me to plow my gravel driveway and without moving gravel all over the place. It'll just ride on top of the gravel. It's a cool trick, and it's perfect for this weather because the gravel driveway has not been frozen yet. There's no base, but we have snow and we have to get rid of it. So let's get this ABS pipe on the plow blade and I'll show you how it works. There we go, got it started. So I'm going to take this piece of wood and I'm going to hammer on the end of the pipe until it slides all the way over. Now the reason I'm using the wood is so I don't crack the plastic, the ABS, because it is cold, it's brittle, maybe it's brittle. I don't want to take a chance and break it. Looks like I'm hung up on something. There we go. That didn't take long, so now I'm going to take you up to the gravel driveway. My gravel driveway is 1/4 mile long. I'll show you how it works. Now I'm going to drop the blade, and we're going to push the snow, and it should just ride on top of the gravel. I'll show you. Gravel. We didn't really move too much there. But I could also raise that blade just up a hair so that it just skims over most of the gravel driveway too. That is just riding on top. There's not hardly anything moving. Works out really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt my blade the other way, one direction or the other, because that's the way I plow. I always direct my blade in snow one way and then work it the rest of the way out. But this time I'm going to drop the blade all the way down. I'm just going to take a little bit of weight off of it. That way I know I won't move any gravel at all, because I know when the blade is turned one way, there's a little more weight on this side. pass. Well, you can see that is a great little hack for your snowplow blade on gravel driveways, especially when the ground isn't frozen yet. You can see it worked out really well. I moved all that snow and I didn't dig into my driveway at all. Even over here, there's grass on this side. Look at the ABS pipe just rode right over the top of that. Didn't dig any grass up. Same with this side here. I went up this side on purpose. This is all dirt and grass here. Nothing got tore up. Tell me what you think of this hack in the comments. I mean, the proof speaks for itself. It works great. I have other videos on the channel where I'm using this and I actually install it like I did on this video, but I think I mentioned the size of ABS pipe I used. I believe it's 1.5. I'll make sure I'll put that down below in the description of this video, but make sure you check out the videos here on the left where I'm plowing snow with this ABS pipe. I want to thank you for watching. We'll see you again. Bye now.